sile mabethi ezababili azingena angithi yabona bayele eSwazini edladleni manje omdolomba bayophuzela isitela yabo sisele sodwa thina siyakhuluma sithi hey GBV what omdolombe bezenzela lento out of anger out of ucasuka ngeke azapha ahambe edladleni umdolomba ngeke azahambe edladleni umdolomba yabo bayophuzela isitela manje eSwazini sisele sodwa thina
Ute kulaphathi anomkambi batheso unablaphini bathushala abaphose kanti lapha ngidizeka khona ugobaza ngiluma yabo baza ndimisa akhumbula bagobaba abebeso usala kuthelwa khona nyenyezela obeshe besulu yabo kubafakane usihlangu semadoleni lukasane yabo ngalendaba lukasele amadoda kulapho kumthanda khona kanye qosho ukuthi kubeza lolanga ephethe amahlojana omabili emthabatha
So their video is currently trending on social media, guys. They are in Zimbabwe enjoying their best life like nothing has happened, guys. You need to mind your own business. Indaba zabantu abayithu ungazingeni wena uyosalana engabona baseZimbabwe thina siselena engalana eSouth, guys. A lot of people are crashing out on social media. Some are saying she's not fit to be a king's wife. You can see them on the video yalapana eZimbabwe, guys. They are so happy, like as if it's in a guys. Guys, I'm confused by everything. You know, I saw Penny, you know, on Facebook to say hi, guys. That video, it was a AI. You know, naminje wamanje ngathi ngiyakholwa ukuthi lento bekuyi AI, guys. It's hardly to believe. Maybe they are doing this for damage control, guys, because they know we're going to talk as people, obviously, as far as guys, but they seem to be funny, guys, and a lot of women are saying, oh, she needs to leave that marriage. You guys have been begging. You guys have been doing shandy. No marriage is perfect. I'm not saying what the king did was right, but I'm saying, guys, you know, that a lot of women are actually guys, you know, just that their husband are not exposed. Some of them, the things that they beg as well, it's worse than this, guys. So you cannot judge a woman. A woman will live when she wants to live, guys. It's up to her. If she still wants to enjoy the soft life, who are we to judge her, guys? Not just in Amapota. Hey, too, we all do things that, you know what, people will shock and say, Aibo, what's going on? Choose yourself, love yourself. When it comes to loving yourself and choosing yourself in South Africa, a person will come here on social media and preach. People are preaching things they don't do. So we cannot judge her. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment.